Hi guys, so today we are at Sungai Pisang Waterfall. So this is my first time and there's like literally nobody here. My bike there. There's a few constructions over there and I've never taken this trail before. It will be my first time, so hope I don't get lost. Hope I find everything there intact when I come back. Following this trail and then we'll see where it takes us. So this is like water Malaysia, and that's where they purify the water if I'm not mistaken. There's like a big hole here. I don't know what it's for. Damn. What does the map say? Damn. So this is the view. Let the hiking begin. Nothing to hold on to. Hey. Place. This is the first part of the hike. Hope it's going to be safe. I think that's the route according to the maps, so we'll just follow the maps and see. Yep, that's what it says. Okay, so this is where they shot the movie Anaconda. It's so peaceful here. So that's cool. Looks like we hit a dead end. So I'm guessing we have to do it through the water. Yep, so it looks like we have to go through the water because there's no other way. And I'm trying my best. The rocks are quite slippery. Yep, I'll just get myself wet. I have no choice. Yeah guys, let's leave this thing to. So right on top is a highway and this looks like a tunnel to do a hiking spot. Dora the Explorer. This is the stuff you see in horror movies, and they still go in. I don't know if I should walk on the side or walk on the right side. So now feels like you're walking on the beach. I don't know if you should be walking on the water or there on the side, but I guess we'll see in front. But damn, this water is dirty. Hey, oh yeah, guy. Aye. They say you should be adventurous, but hey, eventually you're not a lot too. Right now I'm just walking, I'm not even looking at the maps. So it looks like here I can see the waterfall. Yeah, man. And we are here! I'm gonna take a shower. Welcome to the Pisang Port.